Hello, everyone. My real name is Torekeldi, but I think it's much easier to pronounce like Takeshi Kitana. So my topic is like from zero to maintainer, how we implement generation of code for clients. It's like I will try to explain it much like technical and non-technical topics. So just imagine I prepared for this presentation about 4 different presentations. They have different designs, but the same text. So it's really hard to maintain it, because every time when I need to change the text, I'm always need to change it everywhere. And it's like there is a principle, famous principle in software engineering, like don't repeat yourself. Unfortunately, I was living in repeat yourself nightmare with my 4 presentations. Actually, it's just a joke because we covered 4 clients. It's like JavaScript, Node.js, Java, Python, and a lot of clients in OpenSearch. And there was a problem that in every update, we need to change a few clients, and it's really high time investments for us. It's always we need to change in every client. It's a lot of pull requests. It's taking a lot of time. It's taking a lot of money, and sometimes we take a problem that here I write it. There are a lot of manual changes, updates, and also we don't have any unified testing because every repository contains the specific testing. So it's really hard to maintain everything. And also about documentation. Every client, every repository has a different documentation. They're out of sync. So and also, new open-source features outpaced our ability to update client libraries. So it's a QR code to our blog, OpenSearch blog. You can also read about more text about this. So also, what is our solution here? We prepared one source of truth, like OpenSearch API Specification Repository, where we contain all the passes of OpenSearch. Mainly, it's about more than 1,000 passes. We made custom modular structure, like different namespaces, X operation groups, so it's much easier to maintain. And also, every week now, we're generating code for our client source, client codes. So that make us just generation of code and all the clients in sync. So also the second blog post, you can check this QR code, what we bring to OpenSearch. So we reduced manual work, more time to improve performance. Yeah, always every update, like to make OpenSearch 3.0, it's time consuming. It's take a lot of weeks. So with that generation of code, we just reduce our cost time. Of course, legacy cleanup. With generation of code, we are taking much more accuracy to our clients. We deleted a lot of camel cases and different type of legacy. So also TypeScript types are now generated from spec. So we had a problem that JavaScript using legacy code, and it's harder to maintain it. So we created TypeScript client for OpenSearch 3.0, and about more than 100 new API functions generated from OpenAPI specs. So actually, we write it in SMISI language model, but after that, in 1 year, we transferred it to OpenAPI specs. And so it's like speech about something more technical, something from non-technical. It's third QR code, it's my LinkedIn. We can connect it. So actually, I tried to work in OpenSearch, like it was CCI, College Contribution Initiative. So it was Kazakhstan and Amazon working together, and they gave us mentors. So already about 2 years I'm in open source. About 1 year of them I'm maintaining the OpenSearch core. So I started career in startup based in San Francisco by Googlers, and now I'm leading software engineer at DEMETRA Systems. So I'm just an example of people who can just try to contribute with no any knowledge, any English possibilities to speak, but a lot of mentors from Amazon helped me about 2 or 3 years now, and of course, it's not mine. GitHub Activity Action is one of my mentors, but it's my reality. I try to contribute in OpenSearch as much as possible. You can just change the one line in code. It doesn't matter. You already will be the contributor. And here is the main advantage of OpenSearch, that here everyone tries to help you. Everyone tries to give you more knowledge about the systems. And here, motivation moment, in December, we covered about more than 100, about 100% of our repository, OpenSearch core, with test coverage. So I worked with principal software engineer from Amazon. It's really like inspiring me. Every day after work, I'm trying to chat with my colleague and write them that which one test coverage we can cover today. So, and after that, in 1 month after that we covered it, my mentor, Daniel Dubrovkin, wrote it to our Slack chat with clients. So the main message, my main message, that if you're a beginner, you're welcome. We're all been there, so, and help each other rise. And there is acknowledgement to my mentors, like Theo, Daniel Dubrovkin, and Thomas Farr. Daniel Dubrovkin is not looking like that, but he said that we should use this picture. So, yes, and a lot of time they're passing me to make me much stronger. They really give me a lot of knowledge. So now I'm just a maintainer and leading software engineer in 2 years. It's like really fast boosting in my career. And so it's QR code for our repository. You can check it, maybe try to contribute it. Maintaining, yeah, it's not always about writing a lot of code. You can just help with one issue, and that's all. You're already a contributor. To provide, to make you, to become maintainer, you should pass some issues. It's like code owners. So you can merge pull requests. You can check this to try cover your community and invite more people here. So if you have any questions, I'm ready to answer. I think it's end of my presentation.
Great. Thanks very much. It's wonderful to hear. It's wonderful. Please stay there for questions. It's wonderful to hear how you were able to join the project and contribute and get mentoring. I'm happy to hear from the outside that we're successful at bringing in people from all over and supporting them and mentoring. So that's great. Questions?
Yeah.
So do we have our custom code generators to generate these, or are those...
I'm sorry. You should probably repeat it for the recording.
Yeah. Hey, so do we have custom code generators which are built on top of the OpenAPI code generators, or
Are there different generators altogether for these clients?
Yeah, just 1 second.
And just a quick follow-up on that. How do you get the diff of what has already been implemented and what you need to add to the existing clients? That's it.
1 second. About generation of code, you can QR this code. There is a source where you can check the generation of code. It's written in OpenSearch repository. You can check it. It's more custom solution from my colleagues from Amazon. They write it, and I didn't participate it, but you can check it. It's much more custom. And yeah, thank you.
Are there other questions? Are there other questions? Oh, we're going to be ahead of schedule. Wonderful. Thanks again.
Thank you.